So we are solving question on uniformly distributed random variable, and the question says that a random variable is uniformly distributed in the range -1, 4. So a random variable x is uniformly distributed in the range -1, 4. So first of all we will understand what this means. So if we draw the probability density function of x, then it will be like this. On y-axis we have x, fx of x. On x-axis we have x. So its range is -1, 4. So this point is -1 and let this point be 4. So it is uniformly distributed. So it will be a straight line. This will be a straight line from -1 to 4 in the range. So it's uniformly distributed in the range -1 to 4. So it will be a straight line from -1 to 4. And the area of this rectangle must be equal to 1. So if this length is 5, then this length should be equal to 1 upon 5. So this point is 1 upon 5. Because the area of the rectangle of the probability density function must be equal to 1. So if this is -1, 4, then this should be point should be 1 upon 5. So this is the first of all we have find the PDF of the random variable x. Now y is related to x as y is equal to 2x plus 3, and we have to find probability of y is less than equal to 3. So we can solve it by two methods. First method is that if probability of y is less than equal to 3, so it means that probability of 2x plus 3, because y is equal to 2x plus 3, so probability of 2x plus 3 is less than equal to 3, or probability of 2x is less than equal to 0, or probability of x is less than equal to 0. So we have to find the probability of x is less than equal to 0. So if we have to find the probability of x is less than equal to 0, then this point is 0. So we have to find this probability. Because x is from -1 to 4 and we have to find probability of x is less than 0. So we have to find this probability. So finding this probability means finding the area of this rectangle. So area of this rectangle will be equal to 1 into 1 upon 5. So probability is equal to 0.2. So the correct answer for probability of y is less than equal to 3. So in place of y we substituted 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 is less than equal to 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So 2x is less than 0. So we had to find probability of x is less than 0. And probability of x is less than 0 means finding the area of this rectangle from -1 to 0. So its area is 1 into 1 upon 5, so 0.2. So this is the first method. Now we can use another method. That method is finding the PDF of y. So PDF of y will be given as fy of y is equal to fx of x upon dy by dx. So fx of x upon dy by dx. So this is equal to fx of x upon and dy by dx. Y is 2x plus 3. So dy by dx will. So fy we have found out to be density function of y is density function of x upon 2. So if this value is like this, so if amplitude of density function of x is 1 upon 5, so amplitude of density function of y will be equal to, sorry, if this value is 1 upon 5, then it will be equal to 1 upon 5 upon 2. So it will be equal to 1 upon 10. So for y this point will be 1 upon 10. Now we have to find the range of y. So y is equal to 2x plus 3. So if x is equal to -1, then y will be equal to, substitute -1 here, so -2 plus 3. So for x equal to -1, y will be equal to 1, and for x equal to 4, because range of x is from -1 to 4, so y will be equal to 2 into 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, so 8 plus 3 equal to 11. So range of y is from 1 to 11. So the density function of y will be like this. I am drawing the density function of y here. So on this x-axis, on this y-axis we will have fy of y, and this will, on x-axis we have y. So it will be from 1 to 11, 1 to 11. So this point is 1 and this point is 11, and just like from -1 to 4, the rectangle of area of this rectangle must be equal to 1. So this value was 1 upon 5. So just here it is from 1 to 11, so the area of this rectangle must be equal to 1. So this point must be equal to 1 upon 10. So we have derived from here also that fy of y is fx of x upon 2. So this was 1 upon 5. So automatically this will be 1 upon 10. So both methods you can use, that area of rectangle must be equal to 1. So if this point is 1, this point is 11, so this point must be 1 upon 10, because 1 upon 10 into 10 equal to 1. And from here also you can see that fy of y should be equal to fx of x upon 2. So fx of x, this point was 1 upon 5, so it will be 1 upon 10. And range we can find by this method. By range of y we can find by this method. Just put the range of x in the equation for y. So x was -1, so put x equal to -1 here, so we get y equal to 1, and when x equal to 4, then put x equal to 4 in this equation, so we get y equal to 11. So again, probability of y is less than 3, so 3 will be like somewhere here. So the area of this, now we have to find area of this rectangle. We have to find the area of this rectangle now in probability density function of y from 1 to 3. So this will be equal to 2 into 1 upon 10. So again the answer is 0.2. Now we are finding probability of y is less than 3 using probability density function of y. Previously in the previous method we found using probability density function of x. You can find probability of y is less than 3 from probability density function of y also. From y from 1 to 3, the area of this rectangle will be, this length is 2, this length is 1 upon 10, so 0.2. So again the answer was 0.2. So this was the second method, that we found the probability density function of y and then find the probability for y using the probability density function for y. So if you have any doubt in any of the two methods, you can message me or comment me in the comment box. I will solve all your doubts. And this is a very easy question, and this is a very common question. Uniformly distributed random variable is very popular topic in GATE exam and other ESE and JEE exams as well. So if you have any doubt, you can message me in the comment box. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And I have solved other GATE questions also, so I will give the link for the other GATE questions in the description of this video, so you can solve those questions as well. They will be very helpful for your exam preparation. Thank you and best of luck for exams.